Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe, it's very easy and simple one. It's the stuffing. Here as you see is the stuffing with the gravy. So delicious. For the ingredients, I'm using two kinds of cubed stuffing, the cornbread and also the herb seasoned cubed stuffing. Each pack is 12 ounces, 340 grams. That means 24 ounces of cubed stuffing. I have chopped celery and also one chopped onion. But if your family or kids don't like the pieces of onions and celery, you can ground them or you can replace it with a pack of onion soup. But you be careful when you add salt. Then 1 stick of butter, that's 8 tablespoons of butter. And for the herbs, I'm using here the fresh rosemary and the fresh thyme. And for the liquid, I'm using 2 cups of broth, vegetable broth or stock for each 12 ounces. That means 4 cups of broth or vegetable stock or chicken stock, whatever you prefer. In a pot here, I melt the stick of butter first. You have to melt it, then you will start adding the rest of the ingredients. Add the onions, mix, then I will add the celery, the chopped celery. And almost like you cook them together in this butter until they become really soft. The onions and the celery has to become soft and well done. Also in this step we add our herbs, whatever herbs you prefer. For me I added the thyme, the fresh thyme, and also the rosemary. They flavor your stuffing really good. Then we mix everything and we cover this and we keep mixing from time to stirring until the onions and celery soft. Also don't forget to add the salt, but be careful if your broth is salty, you add only a little bit of salt, then the black pepper. And don't forget to stir it until the color of the onions and the celery change as you see here. Then now it's time to add the vegetable stock or broth. Is 4 cups for this quantity of stuffing that I'm preparing right now. Stir all the ingredients together and bring it to boil. In the meantime, I preheated my oven 350 degrees Fahrenheit. My stuffing, I put it on this baking sheet. Then I pour all the liquid that I'm having, the broth with the onions and celery. Mix everything together. Then I will put it in the oven, cover it, put it in the oven to bake for like a half hour, 20 minutes to a half hour covered. Then you can uncover it for the last 10 minutes. And now this is my stuffing after it came out the oven. It's brown from the top. It's very nice color. It's delicious and nutritious. Here I put it in the plate and pour some of the turkey gravy on it. It tasted so good. Hope you enjoyed this recipe and let me know in the comments how did you like it. And see you next time in a new recipe and new video. God bless. Enjoy.